Hello everybody, this is Paul and I'm super excited to introduce you to Talking Photos version 2.0. We really built everything from the ground up and you'll see that right now. Let me go walk you through this application right now. So first thing we've done, and I'll go step by step with each, is human videos now with 50 plus different animations, facial expressions, hand movements and stuff like that you can do from a single photo, okay? So it's simple. You go over here, I'll show you. Just click on create new character and here I'm just going to select my photo here. You can upload any photo. And it's select it, upload, and then this is my photo that's uploaded. Here you can just choose male and you want beard, clean shaven, and then you can manipulate this image to make it creative. Change the eye color, hair color, the clothing, the backgrounds even. Let me show you. Check this. So it generated me now clean shaven, as you can see here, with brown hair, brown eyes, right? And now check this out. If you want to change the background, see now I have this brown background here. Let's say I want to make it standing in front of a coffee shop, right? So let's just say standing in front of a coffee shop, bokeh effect. So bokeh effect is basically like the blurred background effect, right? There we go. So now just look at that. That's a coffee shop background. Now what if I want him just to be sitting in front of a coffee shop instead of standing? I just change that from standing to sitting here and then regenerate. There we go. Now I can change the eye colors. I can change the hair color. I can change the suit color. I can change the background. All this just with prompts. And now just go in and choose any kind of motion here, and that character that we just created will have the same hand movements at any one of these. You don't want many hand movements, use the no hand movements option, for example, or you can use one with any of these gestures that we've hand created for you. I'll just choose this simple actual animation here with hand movements with bare minimum movements. Click next. Here you can either use text to speech, record your own voice, or import your own voiceover audio, right? So if you go in here, you can just do this right here. You can pick different languages as well for the text to speech, or you can record or import audio. For now, I'll just import an audio here that I created. This is my voice, Paul voice demo, select, and then click next. And then you can give it a project name, right? So I can just say Paul demo video result and then just click render and it starts doing its thing. Takes about 15 minutes or so. And then if you reuse the project and keep the same animations, it's gonna actually renders within a couple of minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Once you clone a project, it renders within a couple of minutes. So let's see how the video looks like, and then I'll show you some other user examples as well. This is Paul, and in this video I wanted to show you, I also want to show you some user generated content. Okay, this is actually done by our beta testers and other users just like you, how they've created talking animals and people and stuff like that, because it's gonna just give you some idea of how easy it is to create, but also really leverage it to the next level. So first let's talk about realistic human, right? You can create vertical as well as horizontal. So what they did is they used this human video and then just 9:16 here.
AI. Hey, ever wished your photos could tell a story? Now they can. With Talking Photos AI, your snapshots come to life, narrating the moment just as you remember it. Simply upload a photo, add a voice message, and let the app do the rest.
Companies select us due to our firm's deep sector knowledge, demonstrated track record, partnership-oriented approach, and proven strategic and operational expertise. We bring our skills and experience to each of our investments and use them to help our portfolio companies excel in product innovation, operational excellence, and sustainable growth.
Now next, you have the 2D and 3D characters, right? Cartoon characters. And this is where you can create beautiful videos with this. So you click on this. This is what we're talking about. So you can create these Disney Pixar style characters, and you can do that in vertical or horizontal and stuff like that. And then basically you just go in, create new character, and then you can see here female, and then you can do the race, the gender, and then the race, and then 3D cartoon or 2D cartoon, right? 3D would be more Disney Pixar style, and then you can generate off of that. So for example, if I wanted to generate somebody where a business woman wearing a suit, right, with blonde hair and blue eyes. I'm just making it up. Click generate. It generates something like this, right? I mean, you can even make it even more cooler by adding Disney, Pixar, and stuff like that into the prompts. But what's cool here is I can add any image. You see this? Add image to the media gallery. So let me do that right now. I'll just upload a photo here of this girl right here. And then you can now even change attributes, right? So you can say instead of blonde hair, you can say, for example, red curly hair, which is some attributes of this girl, and then click generate. There you go. I've had that image generated with her attributes, you see. So you can do the same thing with your photos as well. Just make sure that you add like as a Disney or Pixar style 3D character. So what I could do is if I could put male, I don't know, let's say there's some other attributes here, and let's say businessman, right, with black hair and black eyes, right? This is there, and then I can upload my own photo, right? So I could do that too if I want to. Okay, there we go. I've uploaded my photo here myself. So this was the photo, by the way, right? Uploaded it here, and then I click regenerate here. So what I put is businessman wearing a suit with black hair and black eyes as a Disney and Pixar style 3D character. There we go. So it uses my attributes and generates me in a 3D style character, right? You can do the same with 2D as well. 3D looks obviously better than 2D, right? So you can basically play around with it. Now when you're done, just click on next, and then here you go. You got 3D character attributes here and all the hand movements and stuff for the 3D character. You see waving, emphatic explanation, thumbs up, and on and on and on, right? So you get the point, right? So if you want to do it this way, click next, and then here you go. You just do whatever, cheerful, excited, whatever, and then you paste any script, click import script, and then you click next, and then you just give it a name, 3D Paul video, right? Click render, and it's gonna start working. It's gonna take up to 20 minutes depending on your video length, as you can create up to 5 minutes video length with the all-inclusive Talking Photos plan, right? So basically 5 minutes, and then you can do some merging, which I'll get to in just a second.
Companies select our company due to our firm's deep sector knowledge, demonstrated track record, partnership-oriented approach, and proven strategic and operational expertise. We bring our skills and experience to each of our investments and use them to help our portfolio companies excel in product innovation.
बहुत हो गया। क्या समझती हो अपने आप को? एक आदमी के सिर पे होगी घास खा रही हो। तुम्हें कोई शर्म है? तुम्हारी कोई इज्जत भी है? कहीं भी जाके किसी के भी सिर पे घास खाने लगोगी? निर्लज्ज, बेशरम, सड़क छाप, हम इंसानों को
Pretty cool, right? Now, one thing we did, when you clone the video, right? Let's say you want it done much faster, like the rendering, right? Click on clone, you leave the exact same motion that was there earlier. So you just leave everything as is and you click choose audio, and then you change the audio. What's going to happen is a lot of the animations, hand movements are preset, right? It generates much faster because all you have to do is lip sync at this point, right? So if I change this, right? Let's say complete and it's our firm. You do our whatever, right? And then let's say I want to delete this part, and then I change this voice a little bit to whatever. Let's say cheerful, or let's just change this to Tony, and Tony is hopeful, right? And then you click import speech, and then what happens is if you just click on this new voiceover, let's say, right, as the project name, click render, it's going to be done much faster now because all the movements and stuff was pre-recorded because you reused everything. Just change the text to speech, right? This is how you can create longer length videos very quickly, okay? And then you can merge them together as well using this merge videos function right here on the top. We'll get to. Look how fast the video got generated. See this one right here, just 3 minutes ago. So it took a couple of minutes or even less to generate this video. Look at it. So it's 23 seconds long and just generated in just a couple of minutes or less. So that's because we're trying to clone. When we clone, we just reuse everything, including the motions and stuff. So if you pick the right motion and you want to create multiple videos with that same hand movements and emotions and stuff on the face, and you just change the text to speech audio, import audio, whatever, then it's much faster because you got the character. You can keep doing the lip sync over and over again, so you can create very quickly videos in just a couple of minutes. And that's revolutionary. It took us a long time to figure this out. Next one is the animal video. So this is where you can create an animal character like these and have them talking, okay? The way they work is that we need them to be in more cartoonish style rather than realistic because of the teeth, right? The teeth looks much more realistic when it's more cartoonish. That's why we did talking animals. No other application can do this at this moment. All right, so click create new character. Same thing, male or female, and then you can put like characters here. So cute rabbit wearing a three-piece tuxedo. Okay, click generate. There we go. With a tuxedo looking straight at the camera here, as you can see. Now then with this one, you just go next, Same concept applies. You want to add some any kind of emotions or whatever you put here. Import speech. If you want to use text to speech, you can voice record. You can even import an audio. And I'll get to the point where the import audio also comes into play, because you can also import music, songs, right? Somebody singing. So I'll just say 3D cartoon rabbit talking, right? And then click render video. That's doing its thing. I'll show you the results in just a sec.
Companies select our company due to our firm's deep sector knowledge, demonstrated track record, partnership-oriented approach, and proven strategic and operational expertise.
Oh, hi. I am Charlie. Nice to meet you. Do you have any bananas? I love bananas.
Hey, did you know? You can now use Talking Photos AI to create 3D anime character videos as well as talking animal videos, and guess what more new features are on the way?
G'day, I'm Kai. You might think I'm just munching on leaves here, but these aren't just any leaves. They're eucalyptus, the lifeblood of our Australian forest.
Hola. Soy Panda Kung Fu.
Hello there, humans. I'm just a humble goat, but I've got a big message for you.
And the beauty here is that there's no motions here. We preset it, because for these talking animals, because the technology that uses is completely different from the other ones that I mentioned before. So the head movements and the lip sync is different completely, which is what makes it unique, because nothing like this is out there, right? So you don't have to worry about any motions or anything for this one. The last one, this is basically our singing and dancing video. So what we're doing with this one is it's something revolutionary, okay? It's never been done before. And let me show you a couple of examples of this one, and it will completely blow you away.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
All you have to do to create these singing and dancing videos is you can just select the singing and dancing video category here, click on it, boom, it's going to ask you to choose aspect ratio. Either you want 16:9, 9:16 horizontal, vertical, then click create new character. Here you can just upload your own image, for example, or you can generate an entire image from the section here, male or female. Let's click on this. I'm going to go to my images here. I'm going to select my image here, boom, and then it has my image selected, and then click next. And then I can just pick any of these dance motions. There's tons of them you're adding in every single day. Say, for example, I like this particular person here, this one right here, click next, and then import audio. Here, I can import any song. Say, for example, I have my songs here, click on this right here, and then click select, boom. There you go. I just give it a project name, and then I can just say song with perfect dance. It's going to put my face on that dance, and then boom, it's going to start rendering. And there you go. Just takes about a few minutes, maximum of 15 minutes or so, or even less, depending on how long your song is, and you're good to go. That's how easy it is to create your own singing and dancing video. Starts off with a photo and then ends off with a nice, beautiful singing and dancing video. If you don't want dance moves, another way you can do this is just go to any one of these categories and then click on my character is singing. This way you don't have to have any dance moves. It's just bare minimum hand movements, and you can do a singing video as well this way with a 3D, 2D cartoon or human looking character. Lots of fun. On top of that, the other features as well that are all in the tutorials tab here on the top right, okay? So one of them is adding subtitles, right? So if you see here, any video that you want, you can add in subtitles by, let's say, for example, this video right here. I want to add subtitles. Again, go here, you can change that. There's specific tutorials in the tutorials tab on how to use it. Pretty easy to add subtitles, right? And on top of that, you can also merge your videos and create longer length videos. And you can even create multiple stories. You have a rabbit talking to, let's say, a lion talking to, let's say, a deer. You can do that kind of merged videos as well. So you can go here, click add here, right here. Let's say I want to add multiple videos. I want to merge, right? So I can do 3D. This video I'll select. Second video is this right here. third video I want to add in, which is for example this video right here that I want to merge, you know, any amount of, right? Like here, as you can see, this is right here right now, it's 1 minute 29 seconds long. Click next, and then you can say right here, merged video Paul, and then you can just render it out, merge videos here. Let me show you how this looks like here under my videos when it's generated. See this where it was generated right now. There we go. We have this video, and after that you have this other video, and then you have her, right? You see this? Perfect, right? This is another merged video as well. There's so many other cool features, little hidden features like these. So get started. Looking forward to seeing you enjoying it, posting the videos into our Facebook group and that sort of thing. Thank you.